Hey Ray, I'm at the house. I was checking the smoke alarms, smoke detectors. That one right there, I can't check because even with my step ladder and my wood dowel, I couldn't reach it. I checked the others. The only one that's really dim is this one right here in the hallway. It's almost like it. Let me see. So it is all wired into the others, but it's a really dull beeping from that one. I also checked the carbon monoxide, and that is working. That one's super loud. But the others are beeping back. So let me get that's the only one I can reach. But bedrooms, let's see this one. So that one's going. A laundry room. I don't think there's one in here. No. That one works. On this one, takes a while. Forgot. Yeah, that one takes a while to beep, and that's the back bedroom. It beeps. It just takes a little bit. That one, I'll go get the ladder for because I can't reach. So there it goes. And then the one in the master. Well, I don't need the ladder for that one. And then in the bathroom. So we have two that are chirping kind of low.